Welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and I am Barb. So the first thing I want to start off with is a piece of aluminum foil, always the cloudy side. Spray that. And I always do that because whatever I'm putting it on might touch the food and I don't want it sticking. And then spray. Oops, that went somewhere else, but here we are. Okay, so the first thing we're going to start off with is shredded chicken. This morning I had boiled 2 chicken breast. And this is also 2, probably more than 2 cups of shredded chicken. So we're going to want to throw that in there. See, that is quite a bit of chicken. And we want to just get that all pressed down. Okay, and that is perfect for right now. And then we are going to go in with some shredded carrots. What is your favorite veggie? I like to read all the comments. My favorite veggie is broccoli and Brussels sprouts. It's hard to choose between those two. Okay, that looks really good. I like that. And then we are going to put on some chicken stuffing. I always buy the budget-friendly stuff. Prices have went up so much. We just want to dump all this in. Dump it in. And then go ahead with your clean hands and rub that out. Space that out. Or just, you know what I'm talking about. I'm like, rub that out. I'm a massage therapist, so that's why that automatically just came out of my mouth. Okay. Yes. Perfect. And then we're going to want to take some chicken broth, or your favorite broth vegetable could be used also. And then we want to, I'm going to turn this around, get all of the stuffing wet. Yep. Trying not to forget the corners. Okay. That's perfect. So that was probably like a cup or so of broth. Then we're going to top it with some Alfredo. You could use the whole jar if you want to. Not sure if I want to. It looks like there's pretty much... Don't forget the corners. Okay, I think we got it pretty good. Okay, that looks actually pretty good. Going in with a spoon just to push that off in the corners. Push it off to the sides. We want that flavor everywhere. Just feel this might need more Alfredo. There we go. Okay, and at the last minute, I decided I wanted to dump some mushrooms in this because I really feel mushrooms and Alfredo sauce is perfect together. Okay, I'm opening up some ranch. Thank you for being patient. You can use any ranch. This is just what I had got for sale. It's peppercorn, so I'm using it. We are just gonna do a little bit, tiny bit, okay? And that looks good. That's gonna add some crazy flavor to this, and that's what we want. I also have some sliced Colby Jack. Use whatever makes you happy, okay? And I'm just gonna top that with this. Okay, perfect, 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 perfect. Okay, and then remember the aluminum foil that I had you spray? See, it's because that cheese is on top. And as thick as that, like, I feel like there is enough space. I didn't have to spray it, but I'm going to do it just in case because I don't want to fight cheese off aluminum foil. So what we're going to want to do now is put your lid, well, this is your lid. I'm so used to the crock pot cooking. Put your top on it. Okay, I just remembered I forgot to add the green onion, but here we are. We are adding it now. Okay, perfect. And now we can put our lid on. We're going to stick this in the oven at 350 for 40 minutes, okay? Everybody's oven is different, so check in on it in 30 minutes, okay? I know I said 40 minutes, but check it at 30, okay? And then, you know, depending on it, if it's not done, it should be done by 40 minutes, okay? Just want to make sure that you're, you know, and everything in here is pretty much done anyway, but we do want to get those carrot sticks softer, and the bread, the stuffing, we want to get that softer too and let it get a little bit fluffy. Okay, friends, I'll see you in 30 minutes. This looks really good. I think it does. Look really, really good. Okay, well, let's reach in. Okay, so before I forget, I did 40 minutes, took the aluminum foil off, then I went 10 more minutes, 50 minutes altogether. That looks really good. Okay. So I want to try to get a little bit of everything. Let me see. Okay, I got some stuffing in there too. It smells great. It is hot as heck right now. And here we go. I'm gonna make this again. This tastes awesome. That Alfredo sauce with that zing of the ranch dressing made this amazing. And the stuffing, it does something, okay? All of those ingredients together, even though they might sound weird, taste amazing. And I've noticed it's the weird things that taste the best. Okay, friends, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more budget-friendly meals, please subscribe. But most of all, friends, keep cooking, and I love you all.